Hello guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix sound problem on TextNow app. So to fix sound problem, open your settings of your device first, click on apps option, search for TextNow and click on it. Here guys, scroll this list down, click on storage option, click clear cache right now and back, click on force stop here, click OK. Go guys after that to Play Store or App Store and update TextNow. Restart your phone after this and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.